Hello there, and thank you very much for joining us today in this new Azure Portal how-to video. Today, we learn how to use auto-refresh for dashboards, and for that we have Adrienne who is going to show us how to do that. So thank you very much for joining us today, Adrienne.
Thank you for having me, Leon. It's a pleasure being here today to talk to you about how you can refresh your Azure Portal dashboards. I'm sure you have a lot of data on your dashboards that changes over time. Many of you may be even putting this dashboard up on a display, let's say to share with the people that you work with. You wouldn't want to be looking at the same data that doesn't change over time because it gets old. So we've got this feature request for a really long time, and we now have auto refresh on our dashboards. So let me go in and show you how this works. If you take a look at my screen, underneath my dashboard title, you can see auto refresh. Now, if you click on this auto refresh, this is how you can set up your setting. You can turn it off so that your dashboard never refreshes, or you can make it refresh every 30 minutes, every hour, every 2 hours, every 4 hours, or every day. So let's say I want this dashboard to refresh every hour. I can go ahead and click every hour and apply. And so now, every time after I first open this dashboard, every hour after that, it will refresh.
That's really great. How about if I want to refresh it immediately and I don't want to wait for the entire hour?
That's a great question. So if for some reason you want to see your data refreshed at this moment, you can click this refresh button here that's at the end of this command bar. So if I go ahead and click refresh, you can see that the data just refreshed. And also, I forgot to point out that you can see your last updated time right here.
And that last updated time also will be updated every time that you use auto refresh, right?
Yes.
That's awesome. And if I want to update, refresh an individual tile, can I do that?
Yes, for most tiles, you can click on here in the dot, dot, dot on the top right, and then you can click refresh. And this will refresh that individual tile on its own.
That's really great. And this is a private dashboard, so basically it's a dashboard only for you. But how about when you have dashboards that are shared with others, like, for example, the one that we are sharing, like the inventory dashboard?
Yes, I'd love to show that. So let's say I go to my shared dashboard. You can tell it's a shared dashboard because there's this shared icon right here beside your dashboard name. Everything pretty much works the same. You can refresh manually. You can refresh your tiles. And you also see this auto refresh here under the dashboard title. The only difference here now is that let's say I share this with others. Let's say I share this with you. I want to see this every hour, but you want to see this updated every 30 minutes. I can go ahead and set this every hour, and this will only apply to me looking at this dashboard. When you open this dashboard somewhere else, you can go ahead and change it to every 30 minutes, and you'd be looking at it every 30 minutes, and it won't have any conflict between the two dashboards.
That's really great. Thank you very much, Adrienne.
Thank you.
And thanks everyone for watching. Please try this out and let us know what you think. Leave us a comment, follow us on Twitter, and look forward to seeing you in the next video. Thank you. Thanks for watching. Bye.